Chord theory is useful to guitarists of all levels. If you want to create your own chords, write music, or simply understand why several chord shapes have the same name, a little chord theory will be essential. To start with then, we'll look at the theory behind the major chord, and the starting place for this would be the triad. The triad is a group of 3 notes which are basically the building blocks of the chord. The triad is the first, third and fifth note of the scale. So for example, if we take a C major scale, the first note is C, the third note is E, and the fifth note is G. The triad therefore would be C, E, G. All C major chords then are constructed using these 3 notes. You'll notice the notes aren't necessarily in order and are repeated where necessary. This has no impact on the name of the chord. As long as the 3 notes of the triad are used, it will always be the C major chord. This same principle applies to all major and minor chords. The triad of a scale will always produce a chord of the same name. For example, the triad of the A major scale will create an A major chord. The triad of the A minor scale will create an A minor chord. The triad of the G major scale will create a G major chord. And the triad of the G minor scale will produce a G minor chord.